bus because he ain't got a bus.
What?
On the bus now with Joe going down to town, and we're gonna meet Jack, Henry, and what's his name? Ben later.
Ben.
And we're gonna get a Nando's and chill. I hope you guys like my new cap. It's better than Joe's.
Shout out to Luke Dodd. Fat shot with a Mars bar, broke Brooke Fowler's nose. Say G-Dub.
Getting some new earphones because mine are broke. Got a good mic on them for extra special videos. Get off touching my phone camera. Joe, just say something. The vlog hasn't seen you in a while.
I'm back.
He's back. With a big fat bang. Just finished up in Nando's. Treated my boy Joseph Murter to a Nando's, and now he's looking for something else to buy from Asda.
Chi gets his Nando. Good man. Thank
Nando's
you, Chi's Nando card.
Yeah, boy. We're about to meet Jack and everyone else now.
We're about to get 4 of these.
He's about to get 4 of them. Waste.
You're going to split it, so it's alright.
Waste. What? James, you're on the vlog. What's happening? Stay healthy.
Lemon and lime. Still
Unhealthy. Look at that energy. Does that say energy drink on it?
No.
That's still not good for you.
Energy's good for you anyway.
Grape, apple, and raspberry. That's fruits. Collecting some pieces of wood to get the fire going. We haven't made it yet, and me and Joe are just walking up into these woods, and then Henry and Jack and all that are going to meet us later. But we're going to start the fire. So we're pro fire starters. Getting the fire going. Fireworks going off everywhere. Can't see anything in it. It's pitch black. Light the blanket.
What?
Light the blanket.
It won't light straight away. Get to see a firework display in a bit.
This is getting lit, and hopefully it's going to spread more, but it's freezing cold right now.
I'm not.
I am. This fire's getting progressing a bit more. It's keeping us warm anyway. Just need to get some more bigger sticks and logs and stuff. Fire at Lakeside, no beating. Joe playing some bad language music.
Oh no, fireworks. They're making the dogs go mad.
Oh.
Come on, man. I just realised my dog does it as well.
This fire's going down, we need to get some more sticks. There's not many around. What do you think of this fire, Joe?
What? Decent.
Joe having fun. Get it back in the fire. This fire is going down rapidly.
Mate, this is like
mad quick. Wait. I can barely see it. Using the lighting off my fire. Make sure to go follow me on my social medias. My Facebook page, chiivlogs. My Twitter page, _chi Marika in the description. And my Instagram, chiicm. Everything in the description. And
Joe_Murter 2012.
And add me on Snapchat at BigBoyChi. This
22nd of the 12th.
This fire is burning me right now.
It is as well. My face. We've actually got.
I do make plenty of fires on my vlogs.
We actually have got a bonfire going on bonfire night, and it looks even smaller on the video than it is in real life.
Yeah, he's pretty big in real life. Right. Joe's going to stand next to the fire to show you the comparison. This is Joe. That's the fire.
It's just gone down a bit.
Yeah, I know just as I did it, he went all the way down.
Wait, I'll just...
Yeah. Stop right now.
Jack is here.
Who's there?
Hi.
Andrew.
Oi. Shout out to Ali.
Ali who?
Robinson.
Dunno, get someone above. Shout out to Gay Boy Regan Wong.
Third shout out on chiivlogs. Well done, Regan. And Henry.
Shout out to Robin Stray. Rest in peace.
Oh.
Ben went out. Got scared.
No, he didn't go home. Did Ben go home?
Yeah. Time ago, mate.
We're going in like.
Wait, what's with the
Where are you
case?
going?
Really?
Shout out to Jack
It still quite big.
with the munch.
What have you put on it? Like, there's most of the logs and shit.
Yeah, we found loads of logs.
Logs.
That's been getting the fire going.
No.
Well, it's going.
It's gonna go that way.
I think it's going round at the bottom or
I
something.
think he put it upside down.
That was sick! That was sick!
Round at the bottom or
I
something.
think he put it upside down. You're doing it wrong, Joe. That's
The way it said, where it said
Check it
this
out!
way.
Set fireworks.
It's gonna bomb!
I know.
Jihadi Joe and his antics.
what these things.
Oh, missed the picture of this one. Yeah. Take one, go then. You never know where it's going to go.
Oh, that one.
Get ready to go behind this chair as it goes bad. Are you watching?
Whoa, this shit was high.
Watch you just tip forward now and start shooting.
Imagine if it did just tip forward now, you'd have no escape.
You know if you get out of the way, couldn't you?